Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful family, do you know that today we are going to talk about the Minister of Finance, Mazi Ogeshuku? Do you know that for a very long time we are not really talking about him? This is another fire again. Abba, we never knew that this Biafra Republic government in exile, the cabinet member, they are full of strength and energy. In fact, if you not get body, not put body. These people, they got the world, they got the energy, they got the talent, they got the strength. Abba, please let us just listen to him, because I think this is the first time we are welcoming him to this channel. Let me not talk too much, please. Just carry your joko and listen carefully to what he said, and I'll be right back.
Was ratified and everything came to bear. With your speech yesterday, it made Biafrans really, really happy and proud. Now we're going to ask you, as the finance minister of Biafra, please, what is the utmost thing you expect of Biafrans at this dire time in our liberation?
Yesterday, the message was sent to Biafrans and the rest of the world and our allies. Biafra was redeclared yesterday, the day that was ordained by my boss, my prime minister, in the person of Mazi Simon Ekpa'S. Just be rest assured that Biafra have come to stay, and Biafra will be defended, and we will be free people. We will have our land, and we will exist as people, and we will live to develop in our own pace, just like the Europeans. Over years ago, there's a lot of problem here in Europe. When countries start to break apart, they now develop and live in a tribal line. In case like that, that's what actually needs to happen in the country called Nigeria Zoo. Nigeria is never a country. A former president called Goodluck Jonathan made it clear that Nigeria is just an experiment or geographical expression. It's a British company. Nigeria is not designed to favor the Biafrans or to favor the indigenous of Nigeria. It's a bunch of countries put together. So Biafra is here to stay, and we are here in Latin Finland. And if you can look, you will see snow. Upon this snow, we still here to stand in solidarity of our Prime Minister. Our Prime Minister was called to the question, but we know he's politically motivated. We know those behind the Nigerian government, the British government, those that don't want Biafra to be. Rest be assured, Biafra must emerge. Biafra must stand, and we will defend Biafra. Upon the snow that is falling down here, and we are here to set the record straight, to let the Finland authority know that our Prime Minister is not alone. Just look at the crowd. Look at the crowd here to show you that the Prime Minister of Biafra Republic government in exile is working for his people and for the interests of Biafrans, and we Biafrans are here to let them know that we are not terrorists.
That's right.
We are good people.
That's right.
Wherever I am a citizen of the United States of America, and always is also a citizen of Biafra. Yeah, United States of America. I do the best I can to fit in the system, to do the right thing. I own my own businesses. I employ people. I contribute to the economy of the country, the great country that I belong as well, United States of America. That's who we Biafra. We Biafra, wherever we find ourselves, we work hard. The question is that, why did the world turn a blind eye Why did the world not talking about the people of Biafra? Why did the world, the United Nations, are not talking about the genocide? Over 3 million Biafrans have been starved to death. They're not talking about the total of over 5 million people. It's time for the UN, for the United Nations to come together to recognize Biafra. Because Biafrans, they're gonna set the pace in the West Sahara of Africa, or the Black Continent, or you call it the Africa at large. Biafra, imagine, gonna put Africa in a world map, or in a spot whereby Africa's not gonna be fleeing, Africa's not gonna be getting drowned in the Mediterranean Sea, Africans, some not gonna be living and start causing havoc to a country where they find themselves. Because when you push them out of their own territory, they're going to come to your territory, trying to establish themselves, trying to be part of that community. Why doing that? Some of them might commit atrocity, stuff that they never designed to do, just because of the circumstances that they find themselves. So in order to create a balanced world, Biafra have to emerge, and Biafra have to exist as a country. And our Prime Minister, that is his vision, working for his people, working for the Biafran nation, so that his people not going to be getting killed, so that the terrorist Nigerian state not going to invade our land, so we're not going to, so we won't live in our own land and be slave in our own land again. Please, this message should go especially to the Finnish authority, to let them know that our Prime Minister is innocent. He's just fighting a just cause, and he's not inciting the people of Biafra. Rather, the people of Biafra love what he's doing. He's working for us. Thank you.
Yes, my finance minister, please, in 1 minute, I would want to ask that you are the finance minister of the Biafran government. Now we are the United States of Biafra. What is your expectation of Biafrans who are living in diaspora? Just in 1 minute, so that our people will understand their responsibility towards finances in the quest of our freedom. Because, of course, we are about to start maybe a brutal war with the zoo. I don't know if it's going to happen. I don't know if they're going to do the right thing and use their pen and let us go, or if they choose to fight us. What is your advocacy for?
Just use your camera, view around, let them see the atmosphere of where we are. And you as a Biafran, tell me where, and this is a little city of about 100.
This is actually a village.
Small city. Where in Igbo land, where in Biafra do you have a place like this? Nowhere. So that's why we are fighting. That's why we are saying, let's do what we have to do so we can financially defend our land, so we can bring Diaspora back to Biafra land.
Yes.
By the way, Diaspora start from Biafra. Civilization start from Africa.
Yes.
Go back to Egypt, go back to century ago. So we want the civilization that was dismantled from Africa, we want it back. We want to rebuild our own Biafra land. Yes. We want Biafra to be better than Dubai. We want Biafra to be better than the United States of America, that I'm also proud of. We want Biafra to be a place, a light in the beacon, just like our leader Mazin Namdekan said. Then when Biafra come, people all over the world, they will be tripping, want to go to Biafra. Then we have to make it a reality. How do we make it a reality? We need to financially support so we can chase our enemy out of Biafra, so we can get our country back, so we can get Biafra back. Our brothers and sisters back home are dying. Some after they graduate, they can't even get a job. They can't. How do you survive in a country without no proper arrangement of economy? When you don't have a booming economy, that's when people emerge in different crimes, like you talk about like scamming or defrauding, stealing, all kind of criminality. Yes. But where you have a steady economy, that we just that we wipe out all other sort of atrocity. So we want to bring back to Biafra a stable and a society where everyone will live, where everyone will be able to afford common meal and live as common human beings. So please, if you are not supporting, kindly do that. At the end of the day, when Biafra comes, you that live in diaspora, I know a lot that live in diaspora, that even upon that they live in diaspora, they are not doing well. They are not doing well. So why not us go home, rebuild our place, and get our country back, and get our life back together. Thank you. Thank you. Financially support. Our website still remains biafrarepublic.gov/donate. Go exploit. There's a lot of things that might interest you.
Thank you, Minister of Gemma. Thank you, Honorable.
Just a lot. Just visit the website, explore. There's a lot of options.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I appreciate it.
So, my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. As I said before, this is a brief interview with the Minister of Finance, Mazi Ogoshuku. I know a lot of people will be asking, where if I call the talk this one, now for Finland, now for happen. So, my beautiful family, please, there is a reason why Progress the Analyst is here. I am here to bring the world closer to your doorstep. So, if you know you haven't subscribed to this channel and you are not sharing our videos, hey, you know they do us good though. Abeg bele, put your hand for there. May you make sure say you share our videos and like our videos and subscribe if you haven't. See you in my other video. Bye for now.